Hi guys, welcome to BitcoinGem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is a quick video on Bitcoin. We look at the Bitcoin chart currently and see what's possible for Bitcoin in the next immediate future. I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Let us begin today's video. Guys, first of all, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're joining me new over here. As you know, since last 2 weeks, I've been giving 1 minute videos on Bitcoin and we have hit all targets, literally all targets to the dollar. So now we are currently looking at the Bitcoin daily chart and this is of Bittrex exchange. First of all, if we go on to our Bitcoin trajectory chart, you see how beautifully we are on the way to go and retest this black trajectory line. If we go and retest this today, then as of today, the price is at approx 72,250. And with each passing day, it gradually keeps increasing as it's a uptrending line. So on the trajectory part, we are very much on the way to go and retest black trajectory line whenever we do in the next couple of weeks or 1 month. When it comes to daily chart, there are two important color lines that you are able to see right now. One is on blue and one is in purple. The blue color line is a daily price point and the purple color line is according to the 4-hour chart. So important zones. So we will come to know both important ranges with both these lines. And the pivot point, the reason for this new wave to begin is this price point, which is at around $45,000. So this $45,000 price range, once we broke above it and we flipped it into support, which you can see clearly over here on the daily chart, it led to this new wave. If we look at our daily bull support band, which is currently at around 52 to 53,000. So we are way above our bull support band. We are extremely bullish on the daily, on all time frames. In fact, whether it is daily, weekly, monthly, we are extremely bullish. If let me bring in the stock chart also. Yeah. So now if we go on the 4-hour chart, then on the 4-hour chart also, our current bull support band is at around $59,000 range, which confluences with this blue line. So you can see on all parameters, we are bullish. Now, what are the important price points that Bitcoin needs to hold, or what are the important price where we will, if at all we come down, we will find support. So the first immediate support is here at around $59,000. You see over here, which is very clearly visible. It was a previous resistance and we have broken it, and if we come down, this is the first immediate support that needs to hold. And if it holds, that would be literally flipping of this resistance into support. If at all we fail to hold, then the next immediate huge support is at around $52,000 to $53,000 range. This entire range is an important support in my opinion. There is definitely a small support at around $55,000 range. This is also a small support over here. So, and the next immediate targets where we can find resistance, we are already sitting at resistance over here. I had shared this on 1 minute video also. 61,800 was my first resistance, but it differs from exchange to exchange. So on this chart, it is at around 62,300, which we are currently facing. So this zone can be the first resistance, that is 62,300 to 64,800. This is the first zone where we can find some resistance. This second zone for resistance, if we break this convincingly, $64,600 range, we directly go to 68,000. 68 to $70,000 is the next zone of resistance, in my opinion. And once we break that, then the next zone of resistance would be $74,000 to $76,000. So these three are the important next zones of resistance which Bitcoin can face, in my opinion. And the supports, as I told you, is $59,000 range. 55 would be a support also, and a very strong support at $52,000 to $53,000 range. And forming a $50,000 to $53,000 range support is flipping of such an important resistance. That is extremely bullish. Also, we get our daily support 21 EMA currently is at 53. So a chance of going as low as 52 are very unlikely, in my opinion. We can, hold 59 also well. We have $55,000 also as support, and we have 21 EMA sitting currently at 53,700 also as support. So very good supports over here in this range. And overall, the picture is extremely bullish for Bitcoin. And that means that eventually we are going to get a very good alt season too. Let us jump onto the ETH BTC chart to see what's happening. So ETH BTC is currently getting resisted by 21 EMA, which you can see over here clearly, and it's getting support by 200 EMA. And as I had shared in the previous ETH BTC analysis video, this is a very important support for ETH BTC right now. And we are way above it. We might come down and retest, or we might go sideways. We'll have to see. But any correction also, I don't think that would be of much importance, because eventually once Bitcoin goes and breaks its all-time high and starts creating new all-time high, what happened over here in January, we can see when Bitcoin broke its all-time high. And from 20,000, it went all the way to 16,000 in next 2-3 months. The same thing can happen, and that will result in tremendous alt season as it happened over here. So overall, things are looking extremely bullish for alts too. On a shorter time frame or on in between phases, there will be a lot of volatility, but you do not need to get shaken out. Just hold your good alts well, and I think that will be more than enough for anybody to make insane gains in this alt season. So this was a quick update on Bitcoin and the crypto markets. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much, and do subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.